Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel as the Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys top 5 websites that you can use to have to get a design inspiration for your next graphic. If you are very new to this channel, before I get to the tutorial started, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about graphic design stuff or online related stuff, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I will reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So without wasting much of our time, so let's take a look at top 5 websites that you guys can use to generate design ideas. So let's get started. So the very first website I have for you guys here is a kind of is a very popular website. This site is very good for whether you are a graphic designer, web designer, or you are a programmer. So these sites have there are a variety of design concepts you can get from this point here. So let me quickly start from graphics. So right here, if you are looking for graphic design ideas, so you can scroll down right here and begin to navigate from the home tab here, all items and graphics, print, web elements, add-on and vectors, presentation icons, fonts, logos. Okay, now for you to get an idea from this particular site for your next graphics, you can scroll down and see some of the latest file that was uploaded on this site right here. These are the so these are templates for graphic design. So if I click on this anyone right here, you'll be able to see the full file of this particular template. All right, so all designs on this site here, they are not a free site. They are not free design. They are just a template site, but you can as well get an idea for your next graphic. So if you take a look at this flyer threefold brochure right here, you can as well derive an idea from this brochure. Okay, so you can easily make use of search bar. You can go back to home tab right here and search from any of these options right here. If you are looking for print design, so you can let's say you are looking for business card, so you can click on business card. You'll be able to see a variety of concepts that you can use for your design. Okay, so right here you can see the number of results that I have right here. This corporate here is 5,000 plus, creative is 2,000 plus, specific industry is 755, and vintage is 300 and something. Right here, so you can scroll down and begin to look at variety of nice concepts that you can use for your design. So this is what I have for you guys as far as graphic refer.net is concerned. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys for design inspiration. So right here, this one right here is logoinspirations.co. On this site, if you are logo specialist, this is going to be very good for you, or you are trying to be aspire logo designer. So there are thousands of logo concepts that you can use on this particular website for your next design. So you can see all this one right here. You can click on any one of them and go through the concept and see how you too can develop your nice creative from the concept. Okay, so this is another things that you guys can use to increase your creative skills. So this is very much allowed. All you have to do is to try as much as possible to create something similar or something quite unique than what you have right here. So this is what I have for you guys as far as logoinspirations.co is concerned. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys. So right here, another site I have for you guys is Behance.net. Behance.net also is a kind of website that thousands, we can say millions of designers all over the world has a portfolio right here. So from there, you can browse based on what you are looking for. These are current file upload on this particular site that you can use to derive a creative concept or you can create something similar. This is just to increase your creative concept as far as graphic is concerned. This is very much welcome, most especially if you are very new in graphics. You are finding it difficult to work with color. You are finding it difficult to know the right concept. By going on doing all these things, you'll be able to understand more and more better. So you can see these are different feed. This is creative feed, tools, colors, location, schools, source file. This is just that some of the file upload right here. Some of the uploader, they do upload source file. So if you are interested, come here and download any source file of your choice. So you can continue to scroll down and see more and more design concepts that you can use for your next design. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys as far as design inspiration is concerned in graphic design. So right here, what I have for you next here is designs inspirations. Okay, designinspiration.com. Okay, so guys, so this is how the site load up. So when you open up the site, all you have to do is to come here and just click on explore. So when you click on explore, you'll be able to see current and previous design concepts that you can use for your next design. So let's take a look at some of the samples right here, how they use color, how they arrive with shape, styles, and all that. Okay, all right guys, so you can scroll down and you see beautiful designs right here. Look, this is, you can see font management, color management, etc. So this is what I have for you as far as designinspirations.com is concerned. You can pick on any one of these design right here and try to work something unique out. Okay, so the last one I have for you guys as far as design inspiration is concerned is collectui.com. collectui.com is another great tools for every designer. So you can see right here, this site here have about 14,428 design concepts already uploaded on this site. So you can browse by category from the sidebar here: sign up, concept, checkout, landing page, calculator, application, user profile, settings, 404 page, etc. One other thing you can do is that you can just scroll down here and you see more design concepts right here. Look at how icons, app icons, checkout, and info card, etc. So this is another great tools for every designer that you need to explore and to develop your creativity in graphic design. So guys, if you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe for next future tutorial about graphics and some other interesting topic. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.